Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2V Vision to Victory. So we already completed 4 different videos, 2 videos from quantitative aptitude and each video consisting of 10 different questions and 2 questions from logical reasoning, and I already discussed 25 different questions in every video. If you guys have missed those videos, just go through that. My channel, all the videos are available in the playlist. You can go through that. So we'll go with the fifth video here, third video from quantitative aptitude, and fifth video from for your SSC preparation. So today also I'm going to discuss both concept and the calculation part. So without any delay, we'll start our session and just go through that question, guys. Post your answer in the comment section. I will check your comments there. So we'll start with the question number one. So question number one is a part of ratio proportion concept. Let's try this question. If 455 was to be divided among ABC in the ratio of 1 by 4. So 455 rupees was divided among ABC in the ratio of 1 by 4 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6. But by mistake, it was divided in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 6. By mistakenly, he divided the ratio 4, 5, 6. The amount in excess received by C. So how much amount C got extra when compared to the previous distribution? Now, first identify the ratio of ABC. They given in terms of fractions converted into number. Now you already know that 4, 5, 6 LCM of 4, 5, 6 exactly equal to 20 units. Sorry, 4, 5, 6 LCM. Common multiples of 4, 5, 6 is exactly equal to 60. Now see, so 4 become 1/4 of 60 means it's exactly get 15 units. 1/5 means it's 12 units. 1/6 means exactly equal to 10 units. Means try to understand in this way. If total amount is 37 units, guys, if total amount is 37 units, then A get 15 units, B get 12 units, and C get 10 units. For example, by mistakenly in the ratio of 4, 5, 6, it means if the total amount is 15 units, if the total amount is 15 units, now A get 4 units, B get 5 units, and C get 6 units. But what is the original amount? So in the given question, original amount is 455. Now see, 37 become 455 means each number is exactly multiplied by 15 times. In the same way, 15 become 455 means each number is exactly multiplied by 37 times. These are the two multiples you have to represent according to the numbers. Now see, so in the first rank section, A gets 10 units. Now you know that each unit is equal to 15, then the whole amount is 150. In the second calculation, each unit value become means we already calculated 37 units and they get 6 units. Now 6 into 37, see, 6 into 30 is 180, 6 7 are 42. Now he gets a share of 222 rupees. Another question, 222 is more than 150 by how much of amount? Exactly equal to 72 rupees. So because of the wrong distribution, C gets excess than the original transaction by 72 rupees. So that's the question. Question number 2, pipes and cistern concept. Now see, two pipes can fill an empty tank separately in 24 minutes and 40 minutes. Let me take an assumption. So tap A, to fill the tank, it takes 24 minutes. For tap B, for 40 minutes. Now, and the third pipe can empty 30 gallons of water per minute. See, third tap C, I just assuming that tap C. Tap C is the empty pipe. It taken out 30 gallons of water per minute. Every minute it taken out 13 gallons. If the three pipes are open, if three pipes are open means A and B and C, C empty pipe. Remember that A and B are filling pipe and C is the empty pipe. If all the three pipes are open, then empty tank become full in 1 hour. 1 hour means exactly 60 minutes. Now, so whatever the question is related for, time and work and pipes and systems, try to identify that what is the total tank capacity, either in terms of liters or in terms of hours. For example, what is the original tank capacity? It's a common multiples of 20, 40 and 60. Let us assume, not assumption, it's common multiples of all these three numbers. So originally it takes 120 minutes to fill the tank. But A filled it in 24 minutes means it delivered exactly 5 units. Every minute it delivered 5 units, then the whole tank is filled in 24 hours. B, it takes 40 minutes means it delivered 3 units. If all the pipes are worked together, then it delivered only, still it delivered. Why? Because tank is filled according to the data. So if all the three pipes are worked together, then it takes 60 minutes means it delivered only 2 units. Now see. So overall efficiency of ABC is exactly equal to 2 units. Now here A delivered 5 units, B delivered 3 units, C emptied 2 units. Sorry, overall is equal to 2 units. Now what about the C value? So it emptied 6 units for every minute. Now for a 120 units it takes how much of time? So 120 is divided by 6, it takes exactly 20 minutes. So here tap C can empty the whole tank. It takes exactly 20 minutes. Now the question here. So what is the capacity of tank? So you know one information. See, a third pipe can empty 30 gallons of water per minute. So it takes 20 minutes. Every minute 30 gallons of water is taken out. So the total answer is 600. 6 capacity of whole tank is exactly 600 gallons. So that is question number. The question number 3. This is the question number 3. A man donates 30% of his wealth to charity, and 30% and 25% of remaining wealth is to his wife and son respectively. And the rest he divided equally between his three daughters. So one of the daughters get 42 lakhs as her share. Then what was the man's wealth? Let us assuming that wealth of that month is exactly equal to 100, that person wealth. Now he gives 30 percentage of wealth to the charity. Means out of 100 units, he donated 30 units as a charity. Now, after donation, they left with these. So that's a remaining amount. So remaining amount exactly equal to 70 units. Now these 70 units, he distributed 30 percentage of share. See, 30 percentage of share to his wife and 25 percentage of share to his son. Now just calculated what is 30 percentage of, what is 30 percentage of 70 means, see, 21 units he donated to the wife. Now next one, 25 percentage means 1/4 of 70. Guys, 1/4 of 70 means it is exactly equal to 17.5. So what do you understand that? See, he gives 30 units to the charity, 21 units to his wife and 17.5 units to the son. So now what is the remaining amount? After entire distribution, identify that what is the remaining value. So here the remaining value is exactly equal to 31.5. These 31.5 is divided equally among three daughters. Now what is your calculation? See here. So each daughter gets how much of amount? So each daughter gets exactly equal to 10.5 units. Now the question here, 10.5 units of your units value is exactly equal to 42 lakhs. Now the question, what is the wealth of that person? Wealth of that person is exactly equal to 100 units. Now cross multiply them. So 42 is multiplied by 100 is divided by 1. 10.5 can be taken as 105. Again 10 can be the numerator value. Just go through the calculation here. So here 21. So here 5 21s and 5 20s. So here exactly again you can cancel with two times. So 2 20s are 40. 40 into 10 it becomes 400. So 400 lakhs is the salary. Question number 4. So the question number 4. So question number 4. In examination, 30% and 35% of students respectively failed in history and geography, and 25% student failed in both the subjects. See, while reading this information, you can take the data in terms of Venn diagram. So there is a two subjects. Just assuming the total number of students is 100%. So out of 100%, number of students who failed in history is exactly equal to 30%. Number of students who failed in geography is 35%. So out of 100%, 27% students are failed in both the subjects. That is the data. Now, so you already know that according to the data, you know the information. Entire history number of students who failed is exactly equal to 30%. Out of both the value is 27% means we can conclude that 3% of students who have failed in only history. Remember that. So it 3% means the number of students who failed in only history. Now, same way, out of 35%, 27% is failed in both the subjects. Now, how many students are failed in only geography means 35 minus of 27. If maybe you can expect these questions. How much percentage of students failed in only geography? Only geography means 35 minus 27. It's exactly equal to 8%. Now, what I understand that see, out of 100 percentage of students, how many students have failed? Exactly equal to 38%. Now, out of 100 percentage, 38 percentage of students are failed in history, geography, and both the subjects. Now, question: how many students are passed? So, number of students who are passed in the exam is exactly equal to 100 minus 38 percentage is exactly equal to 62 percentage. Now, there is a comparison. The number of students who passed in both the subjects is 248 is exactly equal to 4 times. Now, you already assuming the total percentage is 100. Each percentage is 4 unit. Now, the answer become 400. See the question here. One more question. Question from number system. Algebra. Now see, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Then what is the value of x power 100 plus 1 by x power 100? Now see, squaring on both sides. If you're squaring on both sides, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times the x into 1 by x is exactly equal to 2 square. 2 square value become 4. Then x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x square plus 1 by x square value again is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then what I understand from these calculation, so x power n plus 1 by x power n value is always equal to 2. So answer here x power 10 plus 1 by x power 10, still the resultant is same. Answer is 2. Now, what is the unit digit of 125 power 125 and 216 power 216? Now, see, we need unit digit means just identify the units place value. Remember that, see, 5 power 1 is equal to 5. 5 square is 25, still units place is 5. 5 cube is 125, units place is 5. See, 5 power anything, so units place, whatever the resultant, units place must be 5 only. So you can get that the resultant of 125 whole power 125 units place is 5 only. Now check it out the 6 power cycle. 6 power 1 is equal to 6, 6 square is equal to 36. Then 6 power anything, resultant is always 6 as a units place. Now we need to identify that units place of that resultant. So answer is 1. So answer is 1 only. See the next question. The simple and compound interest on a sum of money for 2 years are 8,400 and 8,652 respectively. What is the rate of interest? Remember one point. If principal and rate of interest is same, then first year simple interest is exactly equal to first year compound interest. Remember that if principal is same with the rate of interest, so first year simple interest exactly equal to first year compound interest. Now see, there is a one principal here. Now out of this principal, so for a simple interest for a 2 years, it earns exactly 8,400, and you already know that simple interest concept. Every year interest is always constant. Remember that every year interest is always constant, but compound interest is changes every year. Why? Because you should pay interest to the interest. See, compound interest means you should pay interest to the interest. Guys, you should good at a basic concept, then you can minimize your calculation without using too many formulas. Now, according to the theory, if you understand the interest concept, now 8,400 rupees he earns for 200 in 2 years means every year person earns 4,002 rupees, 4,200 rupees as interest. Now, if the principal is same, then first year simple interest exactly equal to second year simple and component. Sorry, first year simple interest exactly equal to first year compound interest. Now, second year compound interest means so interest to the interest. Why? Because 4,200 interest is based on principal. But second year you have to pay interest to the previous interest. Interest to the previous interest means that is an excess value. What is excess value here? So if you subtracted 8,400, then the excess value is 252 rupees. Now we should identify that these 252 rupees is the interest, our rate of interest value only. So 252 is what percentage of 4,200? That's your question. Now it is exactly 6%. So less than a minute, if you understand the concept for these kind of questions, you can solve the answer in less than a minute, guys. That's why focus on concept. See the next question. A bus fare. So he given us bus fare for one person is 420 rupees from Agra to Aligarh. And the train fare between the same places for one person is 3/4 of the bus fare of two persons between the same place. Now see, first bus fare they already given. Bus fare is exactly equal to 410. Now identify the train fare, and they clearly mention that train fare is exactly equal to 3/4 of the bus fare for two persons between the same place. Two persons between the same place is exactly equal to 840. Now here the value become exactly equal to, so 210 is multiplied by 3 times, the resultant is 630. Then you can get the bus fare and the train fare. Here the question, what is the total fare paid by two persons traveling in bus? So each traveling amount is 420 for each person. Two persons is 840 plus four persons in a train. 4 is multiplied by 630. So here the answer 840, and here 2400 plus 120. So overall answer C. So it is exactly 3,200, 3,360 rupees. That's your calculation. You just understand, if you understand the second information, then completely based on the calculation. Second statement is most important. Now see one question from prices, profit and loss concept. Now see, if shopkeeper allows 20% discount on is advertised price to make a profit of 25%. So if they make a profit of 25% and they already allowing 20% of discount. Now, what is the advertised price on which he gains 6,000 rupees? Now, you already know that he got 25% of profit in terms of amount is exactly equal to 6,000. Now, just understand in this way. He got 25% of profit on sell cost price, right? So, why? Because every profit is calculated based on cost price. So, he already got 25% profit in terms of amount is exactly equal to 6,000. Now, what is the cost price of that article? Cost price of that article means 25% means 1/4 of the value. Now, 1/4 of value is equal to 6,000. Then definitely cost price is exactly equal to 24,000. Now you already know that profit. So here the profit is exactly equal to 6,000. If cost to price is 24,000, profit is 6,000, then definitely selling price is exactly equal to 30,000 rupees. Now they clearly mentioned that he already given 20% as a discount and he sell it for 30,000. Then they get an profit of 25%. That is a whole meaning in the statement. Now the selling price is exactly equal to 20% after 20% of discount means 80% value is exactly equal to 30,000. 80% value is exactly equal to 30,000. Now the question, what is the advertised price? So is exactly equal to 100. 100% is how much? Now see, 80% is 30,000. 100% means 80% plus 20%, right? So this is exactly equal to 80 and this is exactly 20. So 20 means 1/4 of value. 1/4 of value is exactly equal to 7,500. Now the whole answer is 37,500. Now see one more question from percentages concept. See, everything is depends on the concept and calculation. If you guys are good at both the things, you can get perfect answer within the time. Now see, here water tax is increased by 20%. So you know that 1/5 of the value is increases water tax. And consumption is decreases by 20%. It is also 1/5 of value. Then increasing, decreasing expenditure. Now in this question, you should understand that how we are calculating expenditure. Here expenditure is completely depends on tax is multiplied by consumption. These two values are decided entire value of expenditure. Now see, 1/5 value. First identify that what is initial expenditure. Initial expenditure is exactly equal to initial tax. So denominator is a initial tax. Remember that that is exactly equal to 5. And here consumption is also 1/5. Denominator is 5. Consider that consumption is also 5. So here 5 5 is a 25. Now we should identify the new expenditure. They clearly mention that water tax is increased. Water tax is increased means five is increases. One is a resultant. 1 unit is increases for every 5 units. So now new tax is 6 rupees and decreases 1 unit the consumption. Now it become 4 units. Now 6 fours are 24. Now initial expenditure is 25. Now new expenditure is 24. Definitely it is decreases 1 unit. Now your answer is 1 unit decreases for every 25 units. It is exactly equal to 4%. Now you should choose your option whether it is increases or decreases. According to the calculation, it is decreases by 4%. So these are the 10 different questions, guys. So just share this information to your friends who are preparing for SSC examination. These questions are maybe you get the help for your preparation. So that's it from today's video. So until the next video, see you guys. Have a nice day.